Embarking on a journey starts with packing the essentials. Efficient packing is both an art and a strategy. It begins with creating a pragmatic list of what you truly need. From clothing items to travel documents, it's crucial to prioritize and utilize the available space intelligently. Aim for multifunctional items and clothing that can be layered to save space. Pack heavier items at the bottom to keep the bag balanced and roll clothes instead of folding them to reduce wrinkles and maximize space. Always leave some room for unexpected additions or souvenirs. Navigating through airports efficiently can turn any travel stress into a smooth journey. Familiarize yourself with airport layouts before flying. Arrive early, especially for international flights, to allow ample time for check-ins and security. Optimize your time by utilizing online check-ins when available. Use travel apps for real-time flight tracking and airport disruptions. Wear easy-to-remove shoes and keep any liquids, tubs, and electronics easily accessible to speed up security checks. Avoid peak hours and days to escape the crowds. Remember, successful journeys start at the airport. Jet lag can often be a traveler's biggest challenge, but there are ways to mitigate its effects. Drinking plenty of water before, during, and after your flight helps maintain hydration levels, aiding in jet lag recovery. Also, adjust your body clock to the new time zone a few days before traveling. During the flight, sleep according to the destination's time zone. Avoid heavy meals and alcohol, both of which can disrupt your sleep cycle. Take short naps upon arrival rather than long sleeps. Wellness is fundamental to travel success. Immersing yourself in the local culture and language of your destination enhances your travel experience greatly. Knowledge of key phrases and greetings not only earns locals respect, but can also come to your rescue in tricky situations. Use language learning apps or pocket phrasebooks to learn basic phrases like hello, thank you, please, and help. Understanding local etiquette and norms is equally essential. It ensures respectful interactions and prevents cultural faux pas. Remember, respectful and informed travelers make for global citizens. Mindful spending while traveling ensures you enjoy your trip without breaking the bank. Preparation is key. Research costs of attractions, accommodation, and daily expenses at your destination before setting a daily budget. There are numerous apps to assist in tracking your spending. Opt for local eateries over tourist traps and utilize public transportation to big savings. Also, certain credit cards offer travel-specific rewards and can help save considerably. Lastly, always keep an emergency fund for any unforeseen expenses. Remember, smart budgeting leads to smarter traveling. In today's digital age, technology can be your best travel companion. Use booking apps for quick and easy reservations of flights, accommodation, or local experiences, often with amazing deals. Rely on online maps and navigation apps for worry-free exploration. Translation apps and digitized travel guides can help you communicate effectively and enrich your sightseeing experience. For maintaining connections back home, communication apps are indispensable. Your smartphone can serve as the ultimate, multifunctional travel tool. Harness the power of technology and redefine your travel experience.